What's up, everyone? Aaron here. It's October 11th. There's a nice breeze going on. It's about 55 degrees out right now. We're on a secret location out here in Douglasville. Been out here all morning. No sign of deer yet, but when I was coming in and putting my sticks on the tree, you could smell buck like in the air. It was real pungent. As soon as I got up the tree, I didn't smell it much, but that just tells me I'm high up in the air, good enough to where they can't smell me either, Yeah, these fuckers cutting trees across the street, that sucks. But we're hunting near subdivisions. That's gonna happen, and the bucks are used to that noise. The lawnmowers, weed eaters going. These bucks are comfortable where they're at. Got enough of them on camera to know that. And it's rolling around 10 o'clock now. My buddy Robbie says that they've been coming in around that time. He's seen a lot of activity up here on these power lines and whatnot, and we're just hoping one comes through. I'm out here hanging out in a tree. I got a creek down below me, power lines to the right of me, and we're just hoping one walks through here. This is the property that I really need to spend more time hunting, but I have a new job, and it took away from my morning day hunts. I can't sneak away no more because I got a technician job, and it's going good. About to move into a house next week with my girlfriend. We're excited. It's a nice big house, and there's a set of woods behind there, so we're gonna drop some corn piles out there later on this week, set the cameras and see what's walking around out there. Yeah, we're in this location here in Douglasville. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some videos of the bucks we have on camera, and you'll be able to tell why I'm out here. Right now I'm just gonna hang tight. I'll probably hunt maybe another hour and a half, and then possibly come back tonight. So we'll see what happens. I'm probably gonna take anything that comes by because I haven't got a deer this year yet. Thought I heard something. Yeah, it's pretty active. Squirrels are bouncing around, acorns are dropping. Like I said, I had that real pungent buck smell in the air. For you guys that hunt constantly or process your own deer, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So that's a good sign. We're just gonna chill a little bit longer, see if anything comes through.
from the mouths of decadence. But I can't feed all the powerless when my cup's already overfilled. Yeah. But it's on the table, the fire's cooking, and the farming babies with slaves are working. The blood is on the table and the mouths are choking. But I'm going hungry. I don't mind stealing bread from the mouths of decadence. But I can't feed on the powerless when my cup's already overfilled. But it's on the table, the fire's cooking, and the farming babies and the slaves are all working. And it's on the table, the mouths are choking.
Well, we didn't get no deer.
But I'm going
Came across a little box turtle. Pretty cool looking.
I'm going hungry.
Right up here on this trail that I'm walking.
I'm going hungry. I'm going hungry. I'm going hungry. I'm going hungry.
All right, everyone. So, unfortunately, we are not going to be hunting this evening. It is my daughter's freaking HOCO homecoming. She's 17. She's got a young gentleman coming to pick her up. So it's a dad moment. And I want to meet this gentleman. Obviously, I do BJJ from the looks of my ear there. No, I'm just kidding. He seems like a perfectly fine young man, and I'm happy for my daughter. This is why she moved in with me, so she can go back to school and do fun stuff like this. So instead of a bunch of trails or some woods, I'm going to leave you off with some pictures of my beautiful daughter and her new little boyfriend. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. And hopefully we'll get a damn deer. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like, alright? Follow me. We're gonna get some nice bucks. Come on.